Discover the power of sharing your voice with the world. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting. You can share your thoughts with the world. It's like having your own TV show. But where do you begin? This guide will show you how. We'll cover everything. You'll learn about finding your niche. You'll learn about creating great videos. And you'll learn how to get people watching. Are you ready? Let's start your YouTube adventure. Uncover the secrets to choosing a niche that resonates. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, makeup? This could be your YouTube niche. A niche is a specific topic. It helps you find your audience. Why is a niche important? Think about it. People interested in makeup are more likely to watch makeup tutorials. They probably won't watch a video game review. Choosing a niche keeps your content focused. It helps you attract the right viewers. These viewers are more likely to subscribe and become loyal fans. Do your research. See what's popular in your area of interest. What are other creators doing? Can you offer a fresh perspective? Let's create your channel. This is an exciting journey, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. Whether you're starting a vlog, a tutorial channel, or a gaming channel, the process is straightforward and fun. First, you need a Google account. Already have one? Great! If not, don't worry. Creating a Google account is simple and free. Just head over to the Google sign-up page and fill in your details. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, birth date, and a secure password. Once you've completed the form, click Next and verify your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to create a channel. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start setting up your channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche. Think about what your channel will be about and pick a name that is catchy, memorable, and relevant to your content. This is your brand, so make it count. Next, add a profile picture and channel art. Your profile picture should be a clear, high-quality image that represents you or your brand. It could be a logo, a headshot, or something related to your content. These visuals are the first things people see when they visit your channel, so make sure they are eye-catching and professional. Your channel art or banner should complement your profile picture and give viewers a sense of what your channel is about. Make a good first impression. Your visuals can attract viewers and make them want to explore your content further. Your profile picture should be clear and engaging. Avoid using blurry or low-resolution images. A professional headshot or a well-designed logo can make a big difference. Channel art is like a banner for your channel. It spans the top of your YouTube page and is a great place to showcase your brand's personality. Use colors, fonts, and images that align with your brand. Choose an image that represents your brand. It could be a photo, a graphic, or a combination of both. Make sure it looks good on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Don't forget to fill out the About section. This is where you introduce yourself to the world. Write a brief description of your channel, what kind of content you create, and why people should subscribe. This is your chance to make a personal connection with your audience. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. Describe your channel in a way that is engaging and informative. Let people know what to expect from your channel. Are you posting weekly vlogs, daily tutorials, or monthly reviews? Be clear about your content schedule and what viewers can look forward to. Authenticity and consistency are key to building a loyal audience. Your channel settings are important. They can make a big difference in how your channel looks and feels. First, customize your channel URL. This makes it easy for people to find you. A custom URL looks professional and memorable. Next, consider enabling monetization. This allows you to earn money from your videos. But remember, YouTube has rules about this. Make sure you understand them before you enable monetization. Explore other settings too. You can customize the layout of your channel. You can add links to your social media. You can even create custom thumbnails for your videos. We'll talk more about thumbnails later. Discover the essentials of filming your first video. Ready to film your first video? It's easier than you think. You don't need fancy equipment. Your phone is a great starting point. Before you hit record, plan your video. Write a script or an outline. This will help you stay on track. It will also make editing easier. Good lighting is important. Natural light is best. Film near a window if you can. If you're filming at night, use lamps to brighten up your space. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different filming styles. See what works best for you and your content. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun and be yourself. Learn how to make your videos shine on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, understanding how to effectively share your content is crucial. You filmed your first video. Congratulations! This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your hard work and creativity. But filming is just the beginning. Now it's time to share it with the world. Uploading is easy, but there are a few steps to ensure your video reaches the right audience. Just click the Upload button on YouTube. This will open the Upload interface where you can select your video file. While your video is uploading, take the time to optimize the title, description, and tags. These elements are essential for making your video discoverable. These elements help people find your video. A well-crafted title and description can significantly impact your video's visibility in search results. Your title should be catchy and accurate. It needs to grab attention while clearly conveying the content of your video. It should accurately reflect what your video is about. Spend some time brainstorming and testing different titles to see what works best. The description provides more detail. This is your opportunity to give viewers a deeper understanding of your video's content. Use keywords that people might search for. Think about what terms your potential viewers might use to find content like yours. Tags are like keywords for your video. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and match it with viewers' search queries. They help YouTube understand what your video is about. The more relevant your tags, the better your chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. A compelling thumbnail is crucial. This small image is the first thing potential viewers see, and it can make or break their decision to click on your video. This is the image people see before they click on your video. Make it eye-catching. Use bright colors, clear text, and a high-quality image to attract attention. A good thumbnail can make a big difference in how many views your video gets. It's worth spending time to create a thumbnail that stands out and accurately represents your content. Once your video is uploaded and optimized, don't forget to share it on social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can help you reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging discussions. Building a community around your content can lead to more loyal viewers and subscribers. Keep an eye on your video's performance using YouTube Analytics. This tool provides valuable insights into how viewers are interacting with your content. Use this data to improve your future videos. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every view, like, and comment is a step towards growing your channel and sharing your passion with the world. Keep creating and sharing your masterpieces. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to connect with your audience and improve your skills. Remember, every great YouTuber started with their first video. Keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, keep having fun. Learn how to promote your channel and grow your audience. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your reach, effective promotion is key to your success on YouTube. Your video is live. Now what? The journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. Publishing your video is only the first step. It's time to promote it. Share it on social media. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn can help you reach a broader audience. Each platform has its own unique way of engaging users, so tailor your posts accordingly. Tell your friends and family. Word of mouth is powerful. Ask them to share your video with their networks. The more people who know about your content, the better. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Responding to comments shows that you value your audience's input and encourages more interaction. This can lead to a loyal community of followers. Building a community is important. Respond to comments. Answer questions. Run contests and giveaways. These activities not only increase engagement, but also make your viewers feel appreciated and involved. The more engaged you are, the more your audience will grow. Collaboration is key. Engaging with your audience regularly can turn casual viewers into dedicated fans. Team up with other YouTubers. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences who might not have found you otherwise. It's a win-win situation for both parties. This will help you reach a wider audience. Cross-promote each other's channels. Mention each other in your videos, share links, and encourage your viewers to check out your collaborators' content. You can create amazing content together. Brainstorming and working with others can lead to fresh, exciting ideas that you might not have come up with on your own. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and perseverance are crucial. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating great content. Keep promoting your channel. You'll find your audience. Every successful YouTuber started where you are now. Stay motivated, stay creative, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Start your YouTube journey with confidence. Congratulations! You now have the tools to start your own YouTube channel. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself. Share your passions, be creative, have fun. The world of YouTube awaits. Embrace the journey, connect with others. Share your unique voice with the world. Your YouTube adventure starts now.